Check, check. Ko titirangi te maunga, ko uawa nui a rua matua te awa, ko te aitanga hauati te hapu no reira e te iwi, nau mai haramai ki te papatākoro Futupōro ki uawa mō tēnei kēmu te whiringa toa o te whakataitai a karapu wahine o te tai rāwhiti, te karapu, ngā karapu Futupōro. Arā, ko te haukainga e prei ana kia te manuhiri i tēnei rā, arā ko City, CITY, Ruatoria City. A ka tika me mihi atu ki ngā mate huhua o te wā, i ngā mate haere atu rā apti hono tātai hono. A rātau te hunga mate ki te hunga mate apti hono tātai hono, tātau te hunga ora kia tātou anō. Kia ora whānau, welcome to the Uawa Domain for today's big clash, the final of the NPEC Enterprise Cars Women's Club Rugby Comp. Ko paora tēnei, e mihi atu nei kia koutou i tēnei ata. Beautiful day here in Uawa. Just doing our checks as we get ready to bring you this game. Live and direct. Our sponsors today, of course. We wouldn't be able to do this without their sponsorship, TOITU NGATI POROU. Big mihi to our iwi agency for coming on board and helping us out. Okay, we've got our sound checks going on and they sound like they are working nice and clear. We're also over on our YouTube page. So just waiting for the teams to make their way out onto the park here. Let's take a look at your teams for today. Uawa, wearing number 1, Anna Parata. Maya King wearing number 2. Javan Williams wearing number 3. Monshala Sten and Jaylee Kemp wearing number 5. Amber Bartlett, Morgan White and Neremoana Bartlett are your loose trio. Jania Bartlett at number 9, Hene Westrup wearing number 10, Blaze Stafford Nuku wearing number 11, Gemma Maraki and Nikita Wharehinga, your midfield trio. On the right wing is Katrina Parata, and at the back, on the bench, at the back fullback is Katrina Parata, Casey King on the right wing, Honey Moko, Shane Ricky, Georgia Tuapaua, Giselle Tibble, Hazley Whakataka, Te Ara Pukitapu and Te Rau Kura. Now, just waiting for our teams to come out on the park. Referee today, of course, Mr. Sean Murta. CITY, Ruatoria CITY, wearing number 1, Harmony Mangu, Tuihana Mason, Peace Davis, Jana Huda, Shay Gerard Mataira wearing number 5, Tereana Watini wearing number 6, Kelly Reedy wearing number 7, Kingston Taipa at the back of the scrum wearing number 8, Manaya Whangaparita wearing number 9, Whangaparita Bishop I should say, Renadine Goldsmith at number 10, Reremoana Opodi on the left wing, Atamangu and Aorangi Reedy in the midfield, Ariana Clark on the right wing and Storm Ratima at the back. Heather Hainga, Rerepo Olsen, Hoval, Sammy Moana, Carla Rickard, Jess Tamipo, Rebecca Bishop and Renee Gray make up the reserve bench. Assistants referees today, looks like Mr. Leroy Kurarangi and Jason Babington. Big mihi to our refs, can't have competition without referees. Not far away from kickoff here, as you can see a bit of a guard of honour to bring the Uawa team out onto the park today. City already out on the park. And while we have City and Uawa out on the park, neira te mihi ki te whānau Roberts, te whānau Kaiwai, me ngā whānau Horomia. Neira te mihi o i tērā wiki, kua mate Isabel Roberts, neira te mihi ki a ia me tōna whānau i tēnei wā. Just waiting for Uawa to come out whānau, but yeah, sadly this week we lost a big East Coast icon. follower of both Uawa and Ruatoria City. Isabel Roberts ni Horamia. She was the sister of Parekura. As Uawa make their way out onto the park, we are not far away from kick-off whānau. Your 2026 Enterprise Cars Women's Club Rugby competition. The final between, of course, Uawa and Ruatoria City. Some snazzy jerseys there on your Uawa team. Love it, love it. Of course, there will be a minute's silence, I believe. The banter at the Poroporoaki for Isabel was awesome. Our banter between the clubs started over there. No doubt it'll carry on today. Just waiting for the minute's silence and then the referee will get us underway here. Coverage kindly brought to you by TOITU NGATI POROU. And our iwi agency, TOITU NGATI POROU, is about strengthening who we are as the Ngāti Porou, our reo, our tikanga, our whakapapa and our future. TOITU invests in our people and places, creating opportunities that grow capacity, celebrate culture and protect identity. From Pōtikirua to Te Toka Taio, TOITU's mahi is guided by whakapapa and driven by a commitment to intergenerational wellbeing and iwi-led development. Big mihi to our sponsors, whānau. We're about to get it on here at the Uawa Domain. Your 2026 NPEC Enterprise Cars Club Rugby Women's Final. Uawa will have the duty, the first kick-off duties. And referee Sean Murder about to get us underway. There's the whistle. It bounces kindly there for Hura, I think that is. Oh, it's bounced out sideways out of the back of that ruck as Uawa come up with it here. Might have been knocked on. City recover the ball here, working it up towards their 10-metre line. Atamangu at first receiver. Gives it to one of her forwards to take the hit. Still outside their 10-metre, out to Goldsmith now. Goldsmith sends it wide to Mangu again. Mangu into contact this time. Metre shy of her 10-metre line. Contest there at the ruck. Comes back now to one of the City forwards. Big contact there from the Uawa team. Referee's got advantage here, not rolling away, I think, is the call against the Uawa player. Goldsmith has a little jink, goes back to the far side to Hura. Hura drives it forward. No advantage there, referee will go back for the penalty. Penalty here just outside City's 10-metre line. They tap and go quickly. Up to Mangu. Harmony Mangu straight into the contact. Good tackle on her. There's numbers here if they come wide to Taiapa. Taiapa nearly gets away. Gets back to her feet, plays the ball. Over the halfway goes City. Mangu at first receiver again. Up to, I think that's Mataira Gerard. Gives the ball out to Hura again. Hura hits it up over the halfway. Referee's got a penalty against City though. Little bit isolated there. Quick ball from Uawa. City onside here. They get the pass away to number 21 though. That's it says Puketapu Hunt. There may have been a change here. No, that is Puketapu Hunt out there. They go wide through Westrip. Out to the number 5. That's Kemp. Uawa through Wharehinga. Up over the City 10-metre line. Wharehinga still going. Big run here from the midfielder. It's there for Puketapu Hunt. Comes out to Williams. Williams. Referee's got advantage here against City. Number 22 says Te Raukura. No advantage here. I think City offside in the midfield. Watch for the quick tap. City making sure they're back 10 metres. They call for a scrum though. Couple of minutes gone, no score in this game. Midfield scrum coming here. We send a mihi out to our listeners, our first live stream this year. Big mihi to our sponsors. Been a difficult year out there for a lot of businesses. We acknowledge the contribution for today's live stream. Uawa scrum, midfield, midway 10 metre 22 inside City territory. It's at the back there for Puketapu Hunt, out to Westrip. Westrip looking for a runner, she's got Wharehinga on the cut. She steps through the first tackle, takes it down, about 5 shy of the 22, they go the same way. That was Sten with the pass out wide. Uawa looking to recycle it here, just outside City's 22. Puketapu Hunt comes out to Westrip. Westrip gives it up to King. King with a charge. Referee's got advantage here for Uawa. It looks like a little knock on in there, but play on. They spin it wide. Bit of numbers here. Out to Bartlett. Bartlett, the number 8, steps back infield. Pushes off one tackle. Takes it into the 22. They set it up again. Pick and go from Wharehinga going blind. Uawa turning on the acid in the red zone now. Out to Westrip. Westrip up to, that's Williams again. Defence holding for City. Counter-ruck coming. It's there again. Advantage, says the referee to Uawa. They spin it out wide. That's Kemp out wide. Kemp gets the pass away. About 10 out from the City corner flag now. Puketapu Hunt, quick ball to Westrip, back in field. This is number 24. I don't have a 24 on my team sheet. Puketapu Hunt out to Westrip again. They've got numbers out wide here. They're going to spin it. Here it comes. Wharehinga with numbers. Takes the contact though. It's still there for Uawa, right on the line here. They go back infield. Williams with the ball, looking for King. They're up quickly on King. She spins out a one tackle though. Going towards the line. What's the ref say? Right on the line here. Uawa with the ball out to Westrip. He was playing advantage here, offside. Quick tap. Westrip going for the line. There's the first points. 5-0 to Uawa. We'll get a look at the replay here. Looking for King. They're up quickly on King. She spins out a one tackle though. Going towards the line. What's the ref say? Right on the line here. Uawa with the ball out to Westrip. He was playing advantage here, offside. Quick tap. Westrip going for the line. There's the first points. So we can sort out that. 5-0 to Uawa with the kick to come. Turn that logo off. $7-0 after that successful conversion. Uawa lead. Looks like just over 6.5 minutes gone in this first half. Kindly brought to you by TOITU NGATI POROU. First points of the day. City make their way back to restart the game. Goldsmith about to get us back underway. It's taken there by one of the Uawa players. Nice strong run back up the middle of the park there. Uawa bringing it up towards the 10-metre line out to their far side. It's there for... Referee's got a penalty though against Uawa, just as they were plucking it out of the ruck there. Penalty Incorrect entry, I think, was the call there. Goldsmith will look for touch down the clubroom side of the park here. Sends it just inside the 22, or right on the 22. Beautiful day here, not a cloud in the sky, good crowd. Waiting for the line out, it's tapped down on the city side. Comes back here, they work it out wide. Oh, it's nice hands here to Taiapa. Taiapa with a good run up towards the 22. Kingston Taiapa dragging a few Uawa players with it. Halfback looking in for the ball. They come out to Mangu, who has to dive on it. It's there at the back. They need a halfback. Out now to Reedy. Reedy takes the tackle. It's there again for Whangaparita Bishop, this time to Goldsmith. Goldsmith with a little chip in behind. Nice pick up there by the fullback for Uawa. I think that was Parata. Uawa in their red zone. They put the kick in. It's gone right across field. Underneath this is Taiapa. She's knocked it on backwards, says the referee. No advantage. Offside against Uawa. Watch for the quick tap here. They were looking for the quick tap. Kingston Taiapa will go quickly here. I'm not sure what the call was. It's a free kick awarded to Uawa. Something happened there. Might have been the wrong way around. The penalty at the start. As they kick it deep though, Uawa kick it down towards the 10-metre line. It's picked up here by the winger for City. Hitting a good tackle. Midway 10-metre 22 inside Uawa territory. They set it. They come out wide to Reedy. Reedy juggles it. Takes it into contact. Sets up the ruck here. Whangaparita Bishop goes back to, I think that's Watene. Whangaparita Bishop plucks it out of the ruck. Comes out to this near side. Goldsmith goes back to the far side to Mangu. Mangu in a bit of a gap up the middle off the pass. Good tackle on her. They set it up in the midfield. Pick and go here from City. Might be an advantage here. Referee was playing advantage. A little knock on, I think, as Uawa come up with the ball. It's there for Puketapu Hunt. She plucks it out of the ruck. Throws a pass to Westrip. Helter-skelter play here, but they get it wide now in a bit of a gap. Big contact there. Player down, play on, says the referee, but advantage here for Uawa. I think he's calling that high contact. They spin it out to the clubroom side of the park, looking to put their winger away here. They work it up to the 10-metre line. City defending hard here, but Uawa drag it towards the halfway. No advantage. They go right back for a penalty here, midway 10-metre 22. I think he called that tackle high. That's the call. They're going to tap and go here. Westrip with the ball. Gives it up to Kemp. Kemp out to, I think that's push off the tackle here. The number 8, that's Bartlett. Into City territory they go. Puketapu Hunt out to Westrip. Westrip looking, she got King at first, second receiver. Uawa still with the ball on their halfway. They go out to Westrip again. Westrip sends it wider this time. Number 22 is Te Raukura. Gives it up to, that's Sten. Sten getting driven backwards though. Good tackle on her there. Nice quick ball from Puketapu Hunt off the back of that ruck. Uawa. Kemp there with the ball. They come back open. Might have been offside there against City. Referee's playing advantage here to Uawa. They spin it wide. They've got a bit of numbers out here if they can get the ball wide. Kemp going for a bit of a run. Sorry, they go back infield. This is the number 24 that I don't have a name for, sorry. I think that's Anna Parata. Quick pick and go here from Uawa as they work it towards the 22. Back to Westrip. They go back out to the clubroom side of the field. Numbers here out to Wharehinga. Wharehinga looking to go around. She'll get the second try here for Uawa, stepping back infield. She'll go around under the post. Take a look at the replay. They go back infield. This is the number 24 that I don't have a name for, sorry. I think that's Anna Parata. Quick pick and go here from Uawa as they work it towards the 22. Back to Westrip. They go back out to the clubroom side of the field. Numbers here out to Wharehinga. Wharehinga looking to go around. She'll get the second try here for Uawa, stepping back infield. She'll go around under the post. Pushes the score out to, what's that, 12-7 with the kick to come. Successful conversion, 14-0. Uawa stamping their mark on this game early. Of course, the first time in 20 years Uawa have fielded a women's rugby team, they tell me. And of course, they've managed to take out the competition and host the final. Successful in their semi-final against Hikurangi last week. City got up over Tokorarangi. Having a look at their options. Goldsmith about to get us back underway. Sends it high underneath. This is Wharehinga. Gets it nice catch. Takes it to ground just outside her 10-metre line. Puketapu Hunt looking for the ball. Out to Westrip. They go back. I think that's Parata wearing number 24. Bit of a drive here from Uawa. Ruck now. They come out to Westrip. Westrip working down that clubroom side of the field. Steps back infield. Takes it into contact herself. Another quick ball here from Puketapu Hunt. Back to Parata again. Still there for Puketapu Hunt. They've got numbers out wide here. All they've got to do is pass it. Oh, nearly an intercept there from, I think that was Clark. Uawa playing advantage here though. White with the ball. Nearly breaks through. They'll go back for the scrum. No advantage. Just looking at the time here. About 15 minutes gone. Just about 16 minutes. A sub here. Looks like the number 8 for City, is it? No. Number 2. Swap it prop here. Looks like, what's that? Number 18. Sammy Moana, come on. Replacing Tuihana Mason. Scrum down inside Uawa territory, about 11 metres. A metre outside their 10-metre line. They're 15 in from touch. Puketapu Hunt to feed the scrum. Ball in. It's at the back here now. Bit of a shunt here from City. It comes out though, out to Westrip. Westrip looking for runners. Getting a little bit isolated though as City come through. That might have knocked on here. It's off the foot, says the referee. Play on. As Taiapa comes up with the ball for City. City trying to... Oh, it's been knocked on. No advantage, I think, against Uawa to go back for the City scrum. Original turnover there, I think, was a knock on. Scrum down right on Uawa's 22 line, right out in the middle of the park. Scrum down, ball in. It's It's at the back here for City. Taiapa looking for the ball. She gets it and goes blind. Big contact on her. She sets it up though. They look to roll over the top of it. Uawa have turned it over though. It's gone backwards, says the referee. So they struggle to recycle it here. It's there for Puketapu Hunt. Out to Westrip this time. Gives it up to Wharehinga. Wharehinga stepping back infield. Steps out of one tackle. Gets the pass away now. Bit of space here for the winger down the sideline. Manages to stay in field though. Sets it up 5 shy of the 10-metre line. They go out to Westrip. High tackle called there. High contact. Be a line out right on the 10-metre line inside Uawa territory.
Get her up, Ray. How many? Get her up.
Uawa leading 14-0. So those 2 early tries. Line out on the 10-metre line coming. King to throw. Uawa come up with it. Out to Westrip it goes into the midfield. Looking for runners. Backdoor pass to one of the forwards. They spin it wide again. Now they set it up in the midfield. Might have been turned over here. City come up with it. Out to Mangu. Mangu going for a bit of a run. Gets past a couple of tackles. Gets taken just outside the 22. They need a halfback. Comes out to Goldsmith. Goldsmith sends it wide. Sammy Moana with a bit of a run. Takes it up to the 22. It's there for Bishop Whangaparita. Back to Goldsmith. Out she goes to Taiapa. It's been ripped off it. Offside though, I think is the call. Against Uawa. No, high tackle. High tackle called. Must have been advantage being played. City going to look for a line out here. Look for touch. They're outside the 22. Looking to go into the 22 for a line out. This one about 15 out from the corner flag. An attacking line out coming for City. Full line out called. They go high. It's bounced down on the City, on the Uawa side, but City come up with it. They come out now to Taiapa. Taiapa nearly breaks through. 5 out from the line. City on attack. They go back to the blind to Mangu. Harmony Mangu. They stop her just shy of the line here. Another pick and go. City looking to try and get their first points on the board. What's the ref say? Held up. There's a penalty coming though. Playing advantage for an earlier infringement. What does City do here? Do they go for a line out or do they tap it? They tap it and go. Harmony Mangu takes it into contact. They set up the ruck here, crossing their far corner. Driving at the line. Just short again. Another pick and go. Referee's playing advantage here against Uawa, offside, I believe. City trying to recycle it. It's there at the base of the ruck. Ref playing advantage. They come out to Goldsmith. Ref will say no advantage here. There's a penalty coming. Watch for the quick tap. Or do they call a scrum? What's the call? Ref having a word to the Uawa captain here. Penalty, 5 metres out. They're going to tap it. They go to Mangu again. Mangu gets the pass away this time. They set it up. Ruck formed. They come out to Mangu. That's Ata Mangu on the wraparound. They didn't expect it though. There's a little knock on in there. Uawa defence holds. They'll get a scrum feed about 15 out in front of their post. Might be a bit more than 15 metres. 14-0 if you've just joined us on Te Reo Irirangi o Ngāti Porou. Ua will lead after scoring 2 converted tries. Just coming up towards 23 minutes gone in this first half. Kindly brought to you by TOITU Ngāti Porou. Big mihi to our sponsors connecting the iwi. I'm sure there's a big audience to watch this one, as well as our listeners tuning in. A big shunt from City. They might have turned this over. There's a penalty coming, I think. They've kicked the ball away. I think there's a card coming here. One of the Uawa players kicked the ball away to prevent a quick tap. Should be gone for 10 minutes. Uawa down to 14 players for the next 10 minutes. Just trying to get a number for you there. I think that's might be the number 8, Ledemwana Bartlett. City, 15 out in front of the post. They call a scrum. It is the number 8, Ledemwana Bartlett, that's been sent to the bin for 10 minutes. Injured player in back play. Referee calls time off. It's a Uawa player down in back play, being assisted to the sideline. Be another replacement player coming. We've had a few early replacements. I think that could be the fullback. As we wait for play to restart. Referee will call time back on. Just waiting for the scrum to set here. They split their back line here. They need 8 in the scrum, I think is the call. It's the discussion going on. City will have a overlap in the back line for the scrum. City with a huge push to get the scrum. Oh, and Uawa come out. It spins out though. As referee will reset it, I think. Ball, big shunt there from Uawa. Nearly turned the ball over, I thought. Referee says we'll have it again. "15 out in front of the post. Midfield scrum for Ruatoria City. Referee calls them in. Ball in. It's there for Taiapa at the back of the scrum. Bit of a shunt from Uawa. Taiapa goes for a bit of a run blind. Taken in a good tackle. Got a bit isolated. No, wasn't isolation. It was a incoming player coming in the wrong way. Arriving player, incorrect entry. Quick tap here from Uawa. Out to Westrip. They've got numbers here. They haven't used the numbers all day as Wharehinga goes for a run. Oh, might have got injured there. Might have twisted the ankle. She stays down here as the ball is knocked on. City turn it over here. It's popped out. What's the referee say? There's a try under the post here. He's going to have a talk to his touch judge here. I think he was a little bit unsighted, so the touchy will have the best view of this. Let's have a look at our replay while we're waiting. Numbers all day as Wharehinga goes for a run. Oh, might have got injured there. Might have twisted the ankle. She stays down here as the ball is knocked on. City turn it over here. It's popped out.
What's the referee
But
say?
the referee, after a discussion with the AR, has come back, and there's another stoppage here. Just put the stop on the time here. You could see her as she went to step. Looked like she tweaked her ankle. She went down and she didn't get back up. Be interesting to see if she can play on. Might have been the knee, I think. Definitely saw her as she went to step. Wince in agony. Big team player for Ua was Nikita Wharehinga. Already scored one try in the game and been active in just about every other facet of play. When we restart, it'll be a city scrum, about 6 meters out in front of the post. Stoppage in play here for an injured player. About 26 minutes gone in this first half, kindly brought to you by TOITU NGATI POROU. Some concern being shown for Wharehinga. Looks like they're going to strap her up, see if she can carry on. Referee will be wary of time, I suppose. Getting back to her feet. See how long she lasts, if that knee can last the rest of the game. There's about 14 minutes left to go in this half. Still receiving some treatment here in back play. As both teams get to recharge the lungs while this is happening. Looks not too bad running back to position. Referee will say we're about to get back underway here with a city scrum feed. "27 minutes ticking over on our clock." Remember, referee sole judge of time. Ours is just a guide for us. As he calls them in, we're going to set this scrum right out in front of the post here. Split back line called by City. Ooh, well, they've been putting the acid on at the previous scrum. Ball in, it's at the back here. They go blind. There's Whangaparita Bishop though. Parata plays, Mangu. They spin it out wide, heading for the corner here. City will get their first 5 points of the game. Off the back of the scrum. Ooh, well, they've been putting the acid on at the previous scrum. Ball in, it's at the back here. They go blind. There's Whangaparita Bishop though. Parata plays, Mangu. They spin it out wide, heading for the corner here. City will get their first 5 points of the game. Off the back of the scrum. City get their first points of the game. 14-5 with the kick to come. Waiting for the kick here. She's right out wide, only looks like about a metre in from touch. If that. Goldsmith hasn't got the distance here. Valiant attempt. City get their first points of the game. "14-5. Uawa will make their way back to halfway to get us going again. Huge crowd here for this women's final. Awesome to see. All of the parking spaces taken up. They send it deep. It's taken here by Mataira Gerard. Brings it back over her 10-metre line. They go out to Mangu. Atamangu sends it wide. Tui Mason. Tuiana Mason drives it forward. It's there again for City. They come out here this time to, I think that's Hura. It's there for Whangaparita Bishop again at the base of the ruck. They go back to, that's Moana, out to Mangu. Mangu gets the pass away. They spin it wide out to Taiapa. Taiapa steps back infield. Uawa looking for the quick steal, but it's come back to City. Mataira Gerard driving forward. Out now to Mangu. Harmony Mangu does well to pick that up. Up towards the halfway goes City. Out now to Atamangu. Spin it out wide now. They've got a winger here as Clark puts a little chip in over the top. Just forward pass. Come back for a forward pass is the referee. Referee rules that pass from Ratima forward. Must have been only just. You see worse passes than that at the Super Rugby level get let go. Scrum here, just inside Uawa territory, right down in front of our camera position. Remember, Uawa down a player. 10 minutes in the bin. Puketapu Hunt to feed the scrum. Ball in. It's there at the back. Plucks it out to Westrip. She gives it out to Maraki. Nice run up the middle of the park here by the midfielder. She gets dumped on the ground though. Play on, says the referee. Messy ball here. Uawa City might have turned this over. Hands in the ruck here. Advantage to City. They get a penalty out of it. They're about 7 metres inside Uawa territory. Goldsmith to look for touch, cross on the clubroom side of the park. Goldsmith kicks it safely into touch. Oh, and there's Wharehinga down again. I don't think she's going to carry on. Wharehinga tracking back to watch that ball over the sideline, and she's tweaked her knee again. I think that'll be the end of the game for Nikita Wharehinga. There's a replacement. Oh, that's the Sinbin player coming back. I think Uawa are about to lose one of their strong players in the midfield. City not waiting around though. They go high at the front of the line now. Tap down to Whangaparita Bishop. Out to Goldsmith. They give it to Taiapa in the midfield. Taiapa goes for a bit of a run. Trips over in the midfield. They set it up again. They need a halfback. Comes from Mangu to Goldsmith. Goldsmith with a little chip through. Bounces over the top. Oh, nice. Penalty here though. Offside is the call. Mangu goes looking for the quick tap. Ata Mangu racing across. She spins it wide. They go wide again. Oh, here's another try coming for City. Quick ball doing the work for them. Penalty there, offside at the line out, I believe it was. To Goldsmith. Goldsmith with a little chip through. Bounces over the top. Oh, nice. Penalty here though. Offside is the call. Mangu goes looking for the quick tap. Ata Mangu racing across. She spins it wide. They go wide again. Oh, here's another try coming for City. Quick ball doing the work for them. Penalty there, offside at the line. Takes their score out to 14-10 with the kick to come. Bit closer this one for Goldsmith. She's about 15 in from that clubroom side of the park. They're still working on Wharehinga here to try and keep her on the field. And while she was down, City scored. Goldsmith comes in, strikes. It's got the distance, just not the accuracy. Score remains 14-10. Uawa with a 4-point lead. As all the focus will go on Nikita Wharehinga to see whether she can stay on the park here. A lot of strapping going on in the background. 14-10 as we roll towards half time. Oh, you gotta love that. You can hear the reo Māori flowing across the field from players, encouraging each other. That's Kokajana Hura out there. Bounces kindly for Ratima. Gives it back to Watene. Oh, Mason, sorry. Got a little bit isolated though. Uawa with a penalty here. Watch for the quick tap. That was off the mark. Play on. They tap and go again. Morgan White going for a run. Mangu over the top has stolen the ball here. Gets the pass out. They put the kick in. Tracking back here. There's lost the ball forward. Double knock on here. City will come up with a scrum feed here. Lost forward by Uawa first. Almost there. City breaking out of their red zone there. Atamangu with a crucial turnover. Right over the top. Wharehinga has left the field, I think. I think Wharehinga has been replaced. There's the call made by the coaches. Ball in, it's at the back here for Whangaparita Bishop. Out now to Goldsmith. Goldsmith looking for a runner. She cuts with Mangu. Mangu stepping back infield. Beats a couple of players. Gets back to her feet. They set it up just shy of the 10-metre line. Uawa territory. Taiapa with a run from the base of the ruck. Gets another 10 metres for her team. They get over the top of it. They need a halfback. Pick and go here from Harmony Mangu. Dragging it towards the 22. Whangaparita Bishop having a look at her options. Out it goes now to the number 8 there is, no, that's not Taiapa. Taiapa standing at first receiver, comes back to Mangu on the blind side. Harmony Mangu, into the 22 goes City. Mangu on the cut. That's Ata Mangu. City with a ruck inside the 22. They go back open again. Big tackle there from Uawa, but it's still there for City. Out now to Goldsmith. Goldsmith putting a kick in. Into the corner. Chase is coming. Watch the bounce. Oh, nicely picked up there. One hand by the Uawa winger. Nice work done in the corner. Uawa. Get the ball back infield though. Little chip through. Whangaparita Bishop tracking back for this. Picks it up. Gets the pass away to Ata Mangu. Mangu stepping out of tackles, gets held on to, gets the pass back to Reedy. She sets it up in the midfield. City settle it again. Back now to Mason. Mason going for, sorry, that's Ratima. Ratima going for a run. Gets hit in a good tackle. Whangaparita Bishop looking into the ruck here, trying to dig the ball out. Comes out now to, oh, that was high, that one. What's the ref say? It looked higher than the previous one. City with the ball though. It's there again. They have a winger playing halfback. Out now to Mangu. Mangu showing the dummy. Gets the pass away to Taiapa. Gets held in the tackle. Flicks the pass away. Going backwards to one of the supporting players. Women's rugby. Gotta love it. They go back for a penalty here. Referee was playing high advantage. So offside. Offside against Uawa. Time must be almost up on the referee's watch. Shot at goal called here. Slow things down. Oh, I thought City might have just tried to keep the acid on and tap and go. Captain slows it right down and says, we'll have a shot at goal. Just before half time. Big kick here. About 35 out in front of the post. Right out in front of the post. No wind to speak of here at the Uawa Domain. Only wind coming from the crowd when the ball goes their team's way. Got to acknowledge the crowd. Awesome to see. Big crowd here. Beautiful day. A few clouds are popping up now, but great day for rugby as Goldsmith sends it down the middle. Not going to have the height here. Uawa going to run it out of their in goal. Out to Westrip. Numbers here. Out they come wide. Good tackle on it. Uawa over the top as Puketapu Hunt goes for a run. Gets the pass away. Almost a shepherd there. Play on, says the referee. It's there for Puketapu Hunt again. Out now to Westrip. They've got numbers here if they can work it. They get the pass out. Oh, it's gone forward, says the referee. They'll come back for a forward pass. Scrum here for City inside Uawa, well, right on to 22. Closer to that clubroom side of the park than the middle of the field. City with an attacking opportunity here as we wind down towards half time. 14-10 the score. 2 converted tries to 2 unconverted tries. What a game. Big shunt there from Uawa. It's at the back for Whangaprita Bishop. Out to Goldsmith. Gives it out wide here. They look for runners. Out to Mangu. Mangu out wide to her wingers. It's got, that's Latima down the sideline. Gets taken over the sideline in a good tackle. That's half time here at the Uawa Domain. This game kindly brought to you by TOITU Ngāti Porou. Uawa lead 14 points to 10. We'll take a little break and be back with your second half. Online at the same time. 350. Check, check. Oh. No mai, hoki mai e te iwi. Welcome back to the Uawa domain for the second half of this 2026 NPEC Enterprise Cars Women's Club Rugby Final. Kind of brought to you by TOITU NGATI POROU. If you've just joined us, what a game it's been in the first half. These two teams going hammer and tongs at each other. Uawa with a 4-point lead, 2 converted tries to 2 unconverted tries, 14-10 your score. What a game. This is finals rugby. 40 minutes of rugby left for these ladies in their season to see who takes out the round of the competition. And it's Renadine Goldsmith about to get us back underway here. Referee says time on. Goldsmith sends it short. Taken in there by one of the Uawa players. I think that was Kemp. Referee, was it advantage here for City? Might have been turned over. It might have been a knock-on advantage here. They come out to Mangu. Mangu up to one of the forwards there. They drive it forward. Mangu playing halfback this time. They go back infield to, I think that's Mullaney. Kelly Mullaney with a good drive up the middle of the park. It's there still for City. Midway 10 metre 22 inside Uawa territory. They come out to, that's Kelly Reedy. Good tackle on her. They set up the ruck here. Goldsmith playing halfback. Out to Taiapa. Taiapa has to bend to get that one. Drags a couple of players with her up towards the 22. It's being ripped off her though. Play on, says the referee. Uawa go backwards into their 22 but retain possession here. There's a penalty coming against them though. Not releasing the ball there. I think that was the number 6. No, that's the number 8. Leremona Bartlett. They call a scrum here. City with the first attacking opportunity of the second half. Scrum down. Inside the 22. Just to the right of the post as we look at it. Referee, Murder, about to call the front rows together. Whangaparita Bishop to feed the scrum ball in. It's at the back here for Whangaparita Bishop. There's a penalty advantage here as the ball goes backwards to Mangu. Referee's playing advantage here. Mangu looks to get the pass away to Goldsmith. She does well to pick that up. Referee's still playing advantage, I think. They'll go back. No advantage here. Penalty coming for City out in front of the post here. Taiapa with the ball. What's the call? They're going to tap and go, I think. Taiapa with the ball in her hands. Kingston Taiapa with the ball. Taps it and has a run here. Drives into contact. Still standing on her feet, twisting and turning. Goes to ground now, about 5 out from the line. Pick and go here from City. Good defence there from Uawa. It's still there for City though. Mangu gets her hands on the ball. That's Harmony Mangu. They go blind. They set it up again. Still there for City. Another pick and go for City. Defence holds though. Another drive at the line. Mullaney this time. City on attack. The defence holding though, answering every run. Right on the line. Can they get it down? Still there for City. Another pick and go. Out now to Mangu. Mangu to Goldsmith. Goldsmith sends it wide. They've got a winger here. Out wide to the winger. City will go in the corner here. They'll take the lead. 15 points to 14. Take a look at the replay here. City on attack. The defence holding, answering every run. Right on the line. Can they get it down? Still there for City. Another pick and go. Out now to Mangu. Mangu to Goldsmith. Goldsmith sends it wide. They've got a winger here. Out wide to the winger. City will go in the corner here. They'll take the lead. 15 points to 14. Take a look at the replay here. City, first points in the second half, and they take the lead. The first game these two teams played at the beginning of the year was I think it was a 22-all draw or 24-all draw. The second game, City came out on top. This one here, they have the lead in the final. As Goldsmith comes in, she strikes it. It's got the height, just doesn't have the length there. If it bounces over, it doesn't count. 15-14, 1 point in it. Uawa, that dreaded long march back to halfway when the opposition has scored. Substitutions for Uawa. The number 3 has gone off. That's Javon Williams. Number 20 is out there. Sorry, number 20 is Hasley Whakataka. They kick it deep. Reedy does well to hang on to that, to bring it out of her 22 now. Kelly Reedy sets it up. They go over the top. It might have been stolen there. It was. The new player on the park, number 16. Honey Moko. And there's a back chat here. Watch for the quick tap. City offside. They get back 10 here for Taiapa. Might be not 10, says the referee. Playing advantage here. They go back infield to Westrip. Westrip to, I think that's King. They spin it wide again. Morgan White going for a run. Taken down in front of the post. About 12 out in front of the post. Counter ruck coming. No advantage, says the referee. He'll come back for a penalty. This one about, what is it? About 7 out, 8 out from the line. Westrip looking to go quickly. Gives it up to the new players on the park. That's Moko again. Defence holds. They set it up. Quick ball from out to Westrip, out to King. King twisting, turning. Does she go in? There's a try there for Uawa. Uawa attacked the lead back just like that. 20 points, 19-15 with the kick to come. We'll take a look at that replay. Going to go quickly. Gives it up to the new players on the park. That's Moko again. Defence holds. They set it up. Quick ball from out to Westrip, out to King. King twisting, turning. Does she go in? There's a try there for Uawa. Uawa attacked the lead back just like that. Westrip lines this one up from a pretty kickable position. She hasn't missed today. She's been right in front for both of them though. Steps back. Just fades away to the right. Score remains 19-15. Was it Maya? No, it wasn't he. Who was that one?
It was number 1.
Anna Parata. Sorry, I thought that was King myself too. She's wearing number 2, sorry. So City, their turn to make that long trudge back to halfway. Goldsmith looks like she's going to kick towards the clubroom side of the park. Make sure your player's behind it. Sends it a bit deeper this time. Underneath this is Morgan White. Morgan White taking in a good tackle there from Taiapa. They quick recycle here out to Westrip. They set it up in the middle of the park again. Numbers here. They spin it wide again. They set it up in the midfield, I should say, sorry. Puketapu Hunt plucks it out, goes for a little bit of a run, gets it across to King. Maya King twists in the tackle, goes to ground. It's there for Puketapu Hunt again. They keep going down their blind side. Long pass out wide here. Up towards the the 10-metre line go Uawa. Play on, says the referee. Uawa, spin it back infield. Building momentum here. That's about the fourth phase. Pick and go here off the base of the ruck. Advantage being played for Uawa though. Quick ball from Puketapu Hunt out to Westrip. Quick hands. They've got an overlap here. Lose it forward though. They'll go back for the penalty. Referee was playing advantage. Uawa penalty on their 10-metre line. 19-15. Uawa with a 4-point lead. Those two conversions, keeping them in front. They tap and go here. I think that's a good run there. Back to Westrip. As Uawa move into city territory, up towards the 10-metre line. It's there for Puketapu Hunt. Ball's gone backwards, says the referee. Morgan White with a little chip through. High tackle is the call against City. They go back for a penalty for Uawa just outside the halfway mark, inside City territory. They'll look for touch here. No, they're going to tap and go. Uawa ball. Number 14 with the ball in hand. He's going to look for touch, I think. Sends it nicely, safely into touch up towards the 22 inside City territory. Attacking line out coming for Uawa. Looks like a substitution there. Whangaparita Bishop has left the field. I think that's Gray that's come on. Rene Gray goes to the wing. I think Clark has gone into halfback. Full line out called here for Uawa. They go high in the middle. It's come down on the City side though. Clark picks it up on the bounce. Clark going for a run into the midfield. Out now to Mangu. They've got numbers here. Bounces up to Ratima. Out now to Opodi. Little knock on in there though. It'll be a Uawa scrum feed here. This one here, 8 metres inside City territory, 5 metres in from our commentary position. Both these teams not giving an inch. This is what you want to see in finals rugby. Referee calling them together for the scrum. 7 metres, 8 metres inside inside City territory, 5 metres in from this near side of touch. Ball in. It's at the back for Hunt. Puketapu Hunt out to Westrip. Westrip goes back door. They send it wide. And it's been lost forward though. City will come up with this. They spin it out wide. That's Rene Gray down the far side. It's hitting a good tackle. I think referee playing advantage here. He'll say no advantage. There's a knock on in there. Knock on infringement by Uawa. It will be A Ruatoria City scrum feed about 3 metres inside Uawa territory. About 13 minutes, 14 minutes gone in the second half. Coverage kindly brought to you by TOITU NGATI POROU. Big mihi to our iwi agency, connecting our people. No matter where you are, you can watch a bit of rugby today. Oh, big scrum there from City. It pops out the back though as Clark gets it away to Goldsmith. Goldsmith looking for runners, out to Mangu. Mangu to Ratima, it's gone backwards though. Play on, says the referee, as Opodi takes it into contact. They set it up in the midfield. Comes out now to Taiapa. Taiapa's got Ratima with it. Ratima down the sideline, steps back infield. Good tackle on her. They set it up about 15 inside Uawa territory. Back infield to Mangu. Mangu to Goldsmith. Out to Harmony Mangu in the midfield. That's Mulaney. They get it away again. All the forwards standing in the back line though. It's spilled out and referee's got a knock on in there against City. Great contest at the rucks by these ladies. As I said, both teams just throwing the kitchen sink and everything at it. Scrum, 15 metres inside Uawa territory. They're 15 in from that clubroom side of the park. Scrum here for Uawa. They put the acid on City at the last scrum. Puketapu Hunt to feed the scrum. Ball in, it's there at the back. She plucks it out, looking for Westrip. Westrip brings it to the line. Got a runner there up the middle. The fullback goes, gets to her feet. Referee says that's okay. They go back to Westrip, coming to the same side. Westrip throws the pass back. A little bit of pressure here for Uawa as City arrive. No advantage, he was playing advantage, offside for Uawa. City will have to turn around here and watch for the quick tap. They go quickly. They get the pass away. Uawa moving it wide. White opening it up over the halfway they go. Chasers coming across. Nice run there by one of the Uawa players. It's there again. Morgan White off the base of the ruck. Advantage here, says the referee. They come back to Westrip. They've got numbers out wide here. Oh, they throw the dummy, go infield. They've still got numbers. Can they get it wide? Little knock on in there. Referee's playing advantage there. He'll go right back across the field for a penalty. Kickable position here. What do they do? Do they have a shot at goal to put them 7 points clear? Or they're going to tap it. Watch for Westrip. She's going to tap it. They go to the far side of the field. King with the ball. Gets taken in a good tackle, about 15 out from the line. They keep going to that far side of the field. Nice run here by one of the forwards. Uawa, about 8 out from the line. It's been stolen, but the referee says illegally. They tap and go quickly. Westrip looking to catch them offside. There's the try. Uawa extend their lead. We'll take a look at the replay here. There's a lot to look at. Gets taken in a good tackle, about 15 out from the line. They keep going to their far side of the field. Nice run here by one of the forwards. Uawa, about 8 out from the line. It's been stolen, but the referee says illegally. They tap and go quickly. Westrip looking to catch them offside. There's the try. Uawa extend their lead. We'll take a look at the replay here. They changed kickers for this one. Uawa lining up this conversion. Pretty kickable position. Looks like about 10 metres to the left of the post as we look at it. She's out towards the 22. Successful conversion. Extends the lead. 26-15. She's an uphill battle from here for City. 11-point lead to Uawa. City make some substitutions. It's like Rickard coming on. What's that, Sammy Moana? Must have been, I think must have been receiving some treatment. Goldsmith about to get us back underway again. Substitutions are made. Goldsmith restart this game, sends it down towards the 22. A nice take there by number 17, Shane Ricky. Drags it back towards the 10-metre line. Puketapu Hunt plucks it out, gives it to her left winger, that's Gemma Maraki. Little knock on in the midfield here. They'll give an attacking opportunity to City. Midfield scrum coming. What's the clock say? Coming up to 20 minutes gone in the second half. Kindly brought to you by TOITU NGATI POROU, keeping you connected. 20 minutes of women's club rugby left for the 2026 season. Who wants it? Clark playing halfback. Ball in. Big shunt here from Uawa. It's spilled out the back though. Might have been a knock on. What's the referee say? Scouter going backwards into Uawa territory. Play on, says the referee. And there's a player down in back play here. Play on. The City have turned this over. They go wide out to Gray. Gray gives it back to Mangu. Mangu takes it to ground. Tie up her over the top of this. Out now to Moana. Is that Moana? No, that's the number 5 is Gerard Mataida. They go again, out to Reedy. Reedy sets it up. Might have been knocked on. Knocked backwards, says the referee, as Huda gets it away. They spin it out to... Referee will say no advantage, will he? I thought he said, oh, it must have been knocked backwards. They go for the line out here. It'll be a Uawa ball. City aren't finished yet, they say, but it's the halfback that's down in back play for Uawa. She's back to her feet now. Slowly jogging back to her position. Uawa ball at the line out. Reedy up at the front. It's a penalty. Not sure what the penalty's for. Westrip, will she look for touch here? She's going to tap it and go again. They kick it down the middle of the park. Bounces backwards. Ratima's back there. They get the pass away. Mangu does well to hang on to it. Stays on her feet. Now she goes to ground. Sets it up on the Uawa 10-metre line. Pick and go here from one of the City forwards. That's Taiapa. Dragging it towards the 22. Ratima plays halfback. Comes open. Out now to Rickard. Look to turn the ball over here. Penalty. Offside against Uawa. Watch for the tap here. In the middle of the park. Moana with the ball. Just going to tie her shoelace up. Watch the tap. They tap it. Moana has a go. It's there for the halfback. She's got Taiapa at first receiver. Gets the ball to Taiapa. Taiapa stepping back infield. Still driving forward with a couple of players on it. It's there for the halfback again. That's Clark. Comes back infield to Harmony Mangu. Double tackle on her. They set it up. Referee's got advantage here for City. Watch for the tap and go from Moana. Moana looking to catch them offside. They went back 10 by the looks of things. Referee's playing advantage. Moana still going. Still on her feet. Now she gets to the ground. It comes out now to Mangu. That's Atamangu having a go herself. She'll go over. City fight back. 26-20 with the kick to come. Atamangu there with a 5-pointer. We'll watch the replay. To catch them offside. They went back 10 by the looks of things. Referee's playing advantage. Moana still going. Still on her feet. Now she gets to the ground. It comes out now to Mangu. That's Atamangu having a go herself. She'll go over. City fight back. 26-20 with the kick to come. Atamangu there with a 5-pointer. About 15 minutes left in this final. Kindly brought to you by TOITU NGATI POROU. It's Goldsmith lining up this conversion. Looking right down the barrel of the angle she's got. She comes in, strikes, just pushes it out wide. 6 points in it. City are going to need a converted try to get the lead back. Finals rugby. Ngāti Porou East Coast Women's Club Rugby Finals. This is an exciting game. What a game. Uawa with the restart. I think that's one of the King girls. Casey King with the kick. It's not going to go 10 here, but Moana takes it. Hudo with a drive forward. Referee says the ball was stolen there. It was okay. They spin it backwards here. Having to tidy up here is one of the King girls. It's there for Uawa. They go open again. Number 17 is Shane Ricky. Drives it into City territory. Ball's open, no ball's out, says the referee. City have turned this over. Off the feet is the call. Penalty against Uawa. They tap and go. Westrip gives it out to White. White going for a run. Gets taken in a good tackle. 12 metres inside City territory. They go open again. Westrip, long pass over the top. They set it up in the midfield. Uawa looking for the pill here. Out to Westrip again. They go wide to Ricky. Ricky spins, turns, takes it to ground. It's there for Pukitapu Hunt. Out to Westrip again. No, that's not Westrip. Number 18. That's Tuapawa. It's still there for Uawa. They spin it out now. I think that's Parata. Referee's got advantage here against Uawa. Penalty here. Offside in the midfield. Uawa going to tap and go again. They're just going to keep the pace on here. Westrip goes for a run. Gives it out now to King. King throws the dummy. Been knocked on there off a City hand, I think. Ref will play advantage here as Uawa still have the pill. They've got numbers out wide here. Big contact there from Ratima. 5 out from the line here. Uawa on attack. They go infield to White. Morgan White going for a run. Steps out of one tackle. Gets held up in another. Right out in front of the post here. Uawa on attack, pick and dummy and go here from Parata. It's there for out to Westrip. They go wide. Ricky with a shot. Gets stopped just short of the line. It's still there for Uawa. Counter ruck. Westrip picks it up. Westrip gets the pass away. It's gone backwards. King picks it up. Out to White. White driving forward. Ball's out of the ruck here, but offside, I think, is the call. Atamangu couldn't help herself there. The ball was in front of her. It was out, but she wasn't onside. Watch for the tap here. They're going to tap and go, are they? They do. I think there was a substitution trying to be made or something, and the referee stopped the game. He'll have a restart here. They come open to White. White stepping back infield. Gets driven backwards. It's there for Parata. Ricky with the ball off the base of the ruck. Uawa on attack, 5 out from the line. Out to Westrip. Westrip comes back infield. They've got numbers here if they pass it. Oh, it's spilled forward. What's the ref say? Knock on against Uawa. It's a number of times Uawa have come down the side. They've had the numbers, but they're not letting the ball go. It's like King coming back onto the field. Must have been receiving some treatment on the sideline. Scrum. Out in front of the post here, defensive scrum for City. They've roughly got 10 minutes left to try and pull this one in. 26-20. They'll need a 7-pointer if they're to do it. Uawa though, they don't want them to do it. They'll be trying their hardest to stop them. Scrum down. It's at the back here for Clark. Taiapa comes blind off the base of the ruck, scrum I should say. Driving forward. Now she goes to ground. Referee's got advantage here. Offside, I think, is the call. They tap and go. Taiapa looks to catch them offside. Gets it away to Opodi, but it's been lost forward. There'll be a scrum feed here for Uawa. The Uawa crowd has turned out in force. There's some more substitutions coming for Uawa. That's the number 4. Monshala Sten that's being replaced. We've got number 12 out there. It says, now these ladies have all changed jerseys because number 12 was on in the first half. Number 20's out there. Aroha mai whānau. Some different jerseys coming back on the field that aren't the players that started with them. Big shunt here from City. It's out the back. It's popped out for Puketapu Hunt. Oh, is that Puketapu Hunt? Might be a replacement halfback on there. It was. It's Mangu gets the pass away. City go for a run here. They get the pass away to Ratima. Ratima to Gray. Up towards the 10-metre line. City. They need a halfback. They come out again to Clark. Out open to, it's gone backwards though. Play on, says the referee. Is Clark puts the kick in. Bouncing, who's got it? Oh, Mangu nearly got it. Might have been lost forward. What's the ref say? Mangu with the chase nearly got the bounce. It'll be an Uawa scrum feed. Midway between their 10-metre and 22. Counting down on the clock. About 7 minutes to go here, according to our watch. Referee, sole judge of time, though. It'll be an Uawa scrum feed here. City put the acid on at the last scrum. There's been a fair dinging battle in the old scrums. Ball in, it's there at the back. They go up quickly. Ricky with a good run from the base of the scrum. Oh, nicely done by Clark. Stolen by City. Penalty coming here. They come wide. Taiapa sets it up in the middle of the park. Ratima out to Mangu. Mangu stepping up the middle. Mangu in a bit of space. Back to Ratima. Ratima standing on her feet to goes to ground now. City on attack. Midway 10 metre 22 in the middle of the park. They come out to Goldsmith. Goldsmith having a run. Back now to Huda. Oh, sorry, that was Reedy. They go back to Rickard this time. Rickard. They set it up. They need a halfback. Goldsmith plays halfback. Out to Mangu. It's there for City. Clark gets in there. They slow it down. Clark out now to Moana. Defence up quickly here. I need to watch the offside. They come back infield to, that's Rickard. Big tackles on her. Back now to Ratima. Ratima going for a run. What's the ref say here? It's a rumble on the ground over there. They need a halfback. City have possession. Little chip over the top. It's been charged down. Referee's got a penalty though against Uawa. City needing a 7-pointer. They'll need to score under the post. They're going to go for touch here, I think. Asking the ref. How long to go? There's about 4 minutes plus. Safely into touch, up by the 22. Attacking line out coming for City. What a game this has been, down to the wire, excitement. 26-20. Short line out, called by City. They go to Kelly Reedy at the front. It's bounced for Clark. Clark gives it up now, they spin it wide. Out to Taiapa, out to Mangu. Mangu in a bit of space. Has a go around the outside. Mangu still going. She's got numbers here. City heading for the corner. They get the pass away. The defence holds. They throw it back infield though. Might have been knocked on. No, says the referee. Uawa line out. Down in the corner. City looking like they were going to go in there. The defence holding. What a game this is. How many times have I said that? Referee's hands in terms of time. Short line out, called by Uawa. King with the throw, they go high, it's tapped down on the City side. Moana gives it to Clark. Clark looking for runners, goes out to Mangu. No, it bounces backwards, says the referee. Play on. Knock on here by Uawa. What's the call? Play on, says the referee. City come up with it. They go wide. Taiapa heading for the corner. Taiapa. There it is. They'll need the conversion if they want to take the lead, though. City. 1 point in it. 25-26 with the kick to come. Your guess is as good as mine as how long the referee's got on his watch. Penalty to come. A conversion attempt to come. It's right out wide. Your guess is as good as mine how long the referee's got. We've got a couple of minutes left. Referee sole judge of time though. Renadine Goldsmith right out on the sideline. Conversion attempt to try and put her team in front. City have fought their way back into this from 11 points down. There's the conversion. It's not going to have the legs. Referee says there's still time to go. Sorry, 1 point in it, not, it's 26-25, not 26 all. 1 point in it. Looking at the ref, how long to go? Just over a minute to go.
1 minute, ladies.
Down to the wire. Uawa hanging on by a point here. They send it deep. Right back to Taiaba. Taiaba straightens up the front she goes for a run. The fence comes up on it. They set it up in the midfield. Out they go now. Might have been lost forward. Oh, City turned it over. Uawa come up with this. They'll just have to hang on here. They go wide. Out now to the number 5 out wide for Uawa. 15 out from the line now. They come back infield. Might have been stolen. No, says the referee. There's a penalty against City. Uawa want to finish. They tap and go. Westrip, now they've got numbers again. Oh, they lose it forward. Not 10 though, says the referee. Offside against City. Uawa just need to slow this down, take the kick at goal, and the final is theirs. What do? They slow it down. No, they're going to tap and go. No, they're going to call for the shot. That's the game, I think, Whānau. This penalty will eat up the time. Uawa should take this out. What a game it's been, though. Both teams going at it, hammer and tongs, chucking everything at each other. Westrip gives the penalty attempt to King. Casey King stepping up for this penalty attempt. And I'd say this is full time. Last play here. They'll have to go, it'll go dead. If she misses, you've got to kick it dead, or it'll give City a chance to have the last play. And City will have to go 100 metres if they get the ball. Casey King with the attempt at the penalty here. She comes in, she strikes. Oh, it's bounced off the post. Clark has come up with it for City. City in front of their post have to go the length of the field here. Out now to Mangu. They've got number, they spin it wide out to Opodi. She steps back infield. They set it up. Counter ruck here from Uawa. Players coming from the side though. Mangu, tap and go. Mangu going to try and catch them offside. They're not 10. Mangu gets through. Brings it up to the 10-metre line. They need a halfback. Out now to Taiaba. She has to go backwards for that one. Taiaba having a run. Up the middle goes Taiaba. Looking for a winger. She gets it to Gray. Gray down the sideline. Huge tackle there. Uawa turn it over. What's the ref say? There'll be advantage there to Uawa. That'll be the end of the game. Tap it and kick it out. Uawa are your 2026 NPEC Enterprise Cars Club Rugby Women's Champs. Congratulations to Uawa. What a game that was. Taking it out by 1 point. Valiant effort from Ruatoria CITY. Hold your heads high, ladies. What a game of rugby that was. Ngāti Porou East Coast rugby at its best. Women's rugby. You can see the crowd here. Really enjoyed that one. Big mihi to our sponsors, of course. TOITU Ngāti Porou for kindly bringing you that coverage. What a game this has been. Uawa, your 2026 Enterprise Cars Club Rugby Women's Champs by 26-25 over Ruatoria City. That's not the end of our mahi here in Uawa though. We'll be back at around 10 to 2 this afternoon for the semi-final. That's the first leg of the double here. There's a double header in Uawa. Ruatoria City taking on Uawa. The men's semi coming at you live from about 1:50 p.m. Big mihi to my man on camera, Tama Papuni Isles, our man Doon back in the studio doing the switching. That's our